the heart of Dubai, where steel, sky, and sound come together in perfect harmony. Rising 829.8 meters, or 2,722 feet into the sky, Burj Khalifa is the tallest building on Earth. Designed by architect Adrian Smith and built by over 12,000 workers, it can be seen from 95 kilometers away on a clear day. Its Y-shaped footprint enhances structural stability inspired by the spider lily flower. From the 148th floor, the world below becomes art, a city of dreams built on ambition. Now, what does it feel like when standing in front of Burj Khalifa and see the surroundings in daylight and at night? Let's check it out.
దీన్ని బట్టి మనం ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటాం. మన గోల్డ్ షూట్కి వెళ్తాం సరే అటు తిరిగేసరికి మనకు టైం అవుతుంది. And just below the tower, a nightly ritual begins. A show of light, water, and music that echoes through the city.
The Dubai Fountain is the world's largest choreographed fountain system, stretching 275 meters across the Burj Lake. Its jets shoot water up to 150 meters high, taller than a 45-story building, performing to everything from opera to Arabic classics. Showtimes run daily at 6 p.m. and every 30 minutes until 11 p.m. As the music fades, the lights of the Burj take over, transforming Dubai's skyline into a digital art canvas. In these moments, the city feels like it's breathing through rhythm and light. Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Fountain, where architecture meets emotion. Subscribe for more cinematic journeys. For any help regarding visiting Dubai, please refer to video description.